Angel,
Yes, mommy.
you still in your school uniform. Where are you down there?
I'm doing my homework.
You want me to help you with your homework?
What is 10 times 3?
What is 10 times 3, Angel?
It's 3 times 10, 15, mommy.
What is 10 times 3, Angel?
I don't know, mommy.
What you mean by you don't know what is 10 times 3? But you know how to go on TikTok and look on TikTok video and a tick-tick-tack up your body. I might tick-tick-tack up you with some TikTok 3 times 10 lick.
I don't know. I don't know what that's saying.
Your finger and count them. You have 10 fingers and then you multiply that by 3. How much you get?
10 times 1 is 1. 10 times 2 is 2. 10 times 3 is 3. 10 times 4.
Think me I send you go to school for? Eh? For eat and just put on all the weight per me and look like breadfruit.
I don't know, mommy. That's why I'm asking you. The teacher said I need to do my homework with my parents. I'm sorry, mommy. I don't know. I don't know, mommy.
How much money me give you for go to school? You don't know what is 10 times 3 or 3 times 10.